Hello, this is Ali Khan. Today we're going to make the intro video for the course Test Your AutoCAD Skills by Being an Architect. This is all you're going to get for your preparation for the test. I want you to make an AutoCAD sketch like this one. This is of a commercial building which has two floors, ground floor and the first floor. As you can see, the outer layer of the wall, this represents the wall, and the dimension of the wall is, let's see how much it is 1 foot. Make sure all of your calculations are in feet or inches. This represents the elevation level. Plus 1 foot means 1 foot above the ground level, which is this. These represents beams, the dotted lines, and these is a column. Now this is the front entrance, and these are stairs from back side. As you can see, these walls have thin dimensions. Let us see the dimension for these. There is 4.5, which is usually 4, but a half can be given. Now this is the entrance door, and this is the main hall. The dimensions of the hall are this: 14 foot 7.5 inches into 24 feet 3 inches. And this is the elevation, 2 feet above ground level, which is 1 feet above this level. Also, these are the stairs, which indicates that they are going up to this level, which is the first floor. Now this is the kitchen, and this area represents the kitchen. These blue lines represent windows. These 4 blue lines represent a window outside on the left to the kitchen, and this is the size of the kitchen. This is the bath. I only want you to draw these rooms and their dimensions, nothing else. As you can see, the column here and the window here, with all these white lines representing walls, and this is a thick wall. Let us see the dimension of this wall. It is 9 inches. The total length of this portion is 20 feet, and total length of this portion is 30 feet. Now for the second floor, this is the first floor. As you can see, there is a big window outside, and there are pillars throughout called columns. This is another second hall of first floor, and these are its dimensions. These are the stairs that we saw from the previous diagram. Now they are here, and they will lead up. From here, these will only go down, and these are the next stairs to go to the second floor, which I have not shown because this is all information you need for stairs. Now there is a kitchen under the stairs. This is the door for the kitchen, and this is the bath with a small window here, and dimensions written here, and the columns written here. I want you to draw these for your practice tests, because the practice test has only few questions in it. These are the questions. First is to draw a part of a floor of your current house, or it could be any place that you are familiar with. Make sure the dimensions are correct. The second is to draw your dream house, how big you want to draw it, and how you want to draw it. Do you want a pool or a lift inside? That depends on you. And the third is just a practice test, which is quite hard at such a level if you are a basic level, because the course is at basic level. I will be starting a course on architecture design soon. I am working on it. But this third question will comprise of a designing a plaza or a mall or any commercial building of your sort. It may be industrial or maybe commercial, depends on you how you want to draw it. Then we will discuss it on this form. Hope you enjoy it. This is the name of the course, Test Your AutoCAD Drafting by Being an Architect, which means drafting is pretty much necessary for this course. You must know basic commands of AutoCAD for this. Make sure you do your best.